What's up guys, and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. Today we're going to be discussing all things Lunar Classic, including the overall market, because as we know, that's going to affect the price of Luna and everything that keeps us right here where we are. With that said, we do have one more day remaining with the Prop 459 update, but it does look like it's going to pass. But we're going to go over that in a second. If you don't know me already, the name's Connor, not a financial advisor, so don't base any financial decisions on these videos. And look at this. First of all, we have 1 day remaining. It does look like V21 is real. Version 21 is real. It really does look like the validators will upgrade. So we're going to hopefully get this burn tax implemented very, very soon. With that said, the price of Terra looks like it's going favorably because of this news with a 1.6% gain today. The overall market, in fact, is actually down a little bit today. So it's good to see the overall market down 3% with Lunar Classic actually coming up, which is lovely to see. If we head over to trending again, we can see Lunar Classic down here at number 17 with the new Luna at number 6. So there is still much more focus happening right now in the market on the new Luna than there is on Lunar Classic. If you do want to push Lunar Classic to trend more, go on Twitter, retweet, follow, talk about Lunar Classic, take this video, tweet it out, send it to your friends. All of that sort of stuff will help with this trending. We also have UST down 1%, so very similar to the market, but Terra Classic going up, I assume, on the news of this burn tax, hopefully coming into play in the next few days, if not weeks. With that said, we also have the Lunatics token burning 250 million Lunar Classic to the dead wallet. So sending Lunar Classic to the dead wallet, in turn burning it, making it the #1 burner of Lunar Classic. So good to see here, but we have a lot of Lunar Classic exit plan theories going around, and this is what I want to discuss mainly today. Just checking out the overall cryptocurrency market. As we know, overall everything is coming down today. Still very much normal for the market. You can see higher highs, higher lows for Bitcoin here, and it's still in this upward trend right now. If we do break below 21.5, this could indicate that this uptrend is actually done. It's over. But right now we are still just between these trend lines, and exactly what we were expecting. As you know, I added to my short position at around 24,000, and if you do want to do something similar, you can sign up to BitGet using the links down there in my description. You can get a bunch of bonuses. It's totally worth your time if you want to prepare for the next trade. And over here on the DXY, we do have the dollar currency index continuing to trend down, so that is a good thing. Now moving over to this exit plan. First of all, do I think that this is going to burn enough to get back to, let's say, $1 in a year? Because that's essentially what this is suggesting, with a 1 trillion coin burn per month. And I don't think that this is going to happen. I don't think that this is going to happen even close, right? First of all, circulating supply, 7 trillion. So to burn 1 trillion a month would put us at around 6.25 months to get down to a very low circulating supply, which in turn could make it possible to have a price like, let's, for example, say $1, right? But this is all taking into consideration that, one, the burn amount per day stays the same with this 1.2% tax, and the fact that the volume, this needs to have the same amount of volume daily to do that, right? The volume right now is 235 million, which is up 200%, which is absolutely incredible. But this volume may not even stay anywhere near this. It may go far down. Of course, it could go up, but it may go far down. So that's the first thing. If the volume goes down, remember, when this tax is implemented, people are going to be losing money every time they trade. So this may bring the volume down. That's the first thing. Second of all, we have the fact that when the price goes up, we'll actually be burning less tokens because we burn a percent of the volume in dollars, right? So the volume happens in dollars, and then we burn a percent of that equal to the Lunar Classic tokens. If the price doubles, we'll be burning half the amount of tokens. So the volume would have to double every time the price doubles, every single time, in order for this to stay exactly the same. I do not think that's going to happen. Do I think that we can burn a lot of tokens? Yes. Do I think that the price of Lunar Classic could go up? Yes, I do. That's why I hold a small bag, less than 1% of my overall portfolio. But this is a moon bag. This is something that I personally want to be involved in just in case we get a huge pump. And because of the fact that we have a huge community, hype, meme, all of that status around it, and it has its own blockchain for developers to build on. I think this is all good catalysts for this to happen, for the price to go up. But for us to burn close to 7 trillion tokens in 6.25 months, I do not think that is going to happen. No part of me thinks that's going to happen. Of course, I started making daily Luna videos to give you both sides of the coin. I wanted this channel to be a place where you could see both bullish and bearish ideas around this coin, because I do see a lot of videos that only focus on the bullish. So I wanted to give you that opinion. I don't think this is going to happen. I do think that we can burn, but I think we need to be realistic about this. If the price doubles from where we are today, we're going to be burning half the amount of tokens. So straight away, that makes 12 months. If it doubles again, you can do the math, right? So with that said, hopefully I provided you some value today. If you like both sides of the coin, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one.